Imagine this. You wake up one morning, check your bank account, and realize you've made more money in your sleep than you did working all of last month. Sounds like a dream, right? Now imagine the opposite. Years go by, and despite working hard, you're stuck. Bills pile up, debt grows, and retirement seems like a distant fantasy. Here's the thing. Most people never escape this cycle, not because they don't work hard enough, but because they never understood one fundamental wealth-building secret: the power of compound. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to turn small savings into millions, why waiting even a few years could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars, and how the ultra-rich use compounding to make money work for them instead of the other way around. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share the single biggest mistake that can silently kill your wealth potential, and it's something almost everyone does. Let's dive in. The power of compounding explained. Let's start with a simple question. Would you rather have $1 million today, or one penny that doubles every day for a... Most people take the million. But here's what they don't. That doubling penny, by day 30, it grows to over $5 million. That's compounding in action. Money growing on top of money, multiplying exponentially over time. It's how Warren Buffett turned a modest childhood savings into a $100 billion empire. And here's the kicker. Time is the most powerful ingredient. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 20 and earn just a 10% annual return, by 60, you'll have $1.1 million. But if you wait until 30 to start, you'll end up with just $400,000, less than half. Time is like rocket fuel for compounding. The earlier you start, the less money you need to invest to reach financial freedom. But there's one big problem. Most people don't start because they think they don't have enough money. That's a dangerous myth. And in the next section, I'll prove why even small amounts can lead to life-changing wealth if you play the game right. Here's something that will blow your mind. How small investments turn into millions. Chris and James both invest in the stock market. Chris starts at 20, investing just $5 a day, the price of a coffee. James waits until 40, but invests triple the amount, $15 a day. Fast forward to age 60. Chris has over $1.5 million. James, barely $400,000. Chris invested less but started earlier. James invested more but started late. See the pattern? It's not about how much you invest, it's about how long your money has to grow. This is why the ultra-rich focus on accumulating assets early. They let their money do the heavy lift. Now, I know what you're thinking, but where do I even invest? Let's talk about the best compounding vehicles that can build your wealth automatically. Where to invest for maximum compounding. Here's where the magic happens. The best places to put your money for compounding: index funds, S&P 500. This is Warren Buffett's favorite strategy. Instead of picking individual stocks, you own the entire market, which historically grows 10% annually. Roth IRA and 401k. Tax-free growth? Yes, please. These accounts shield your money from taxes, meaning more compounding power. Dividend stocks and REITs. These pay you passive income that you can reinvest, speeding up your compounding cycle, your own business or side hustle. The returns here can be unlimited if you reinvest your profits wisely. But here's the biggest mistake that destroys compounding power: pulling money out too early. Imagine planting a tree. If you keep cutting it down every few years, it'll never grow tall. The same happens when you sell your investments too soon. Every time you withdraw, you stop compounding in its tracks. And if you think you have plenty of time to start later, let me hit you with one final sobering reality. Let me ask you this. If you had started investing just 5 years ago, how much would you have today? Think about it. Time is slipping away. The cost of waiting just 1 year to invest can mean losing hundreds of thousands of dollars down the line. But here's the good news. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. So here's what you need to do today. Open an investment account, Roth IRA, 401k, or brokerage. Invest in an index fund like the S&P 500, even if it's just $5 a day. Automate your investments and let compounding do the work for you. Don't be the person who looks back in 10 years and says, "I wish I had started sooner." Be the person who takes action today and secures their financial future. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this is worth sharing. And if you want to learn more secrets the wealthy use to build generational wealth, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.